Hello everyone, Chris Campbell here in the clock shop tonight. On this Saturday evening, I just got through cutting out this piece of brass. This is the fan or the governor that is going to be going into this particular clock movement right here that we're restoring and rebuilding. The governor is a very important part of the clock. It basically regulates the strike side of the clock. It basically acts as a wing, sort of like an airplane. It slows down the strike side. So when the clock goes into strike mode, it strikes evenly, boom, 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 on the hour. If you do not have a governor, or the fly as they call it, it would sound like a machine gun going off. It would be boom, 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 boom. And you wouldn't really be able to count the strikes or the time of the hour. Unfortunately, this particular clock, the governor was broke and missing, so I had to manufacture a completely new governor. So I've also cut the arbor and the pinions and the lanyard pinions, and I'm going to show you that and installation. Here we go. So right now we have the arbor and the pinions in the lathe. I'm going to turn it on. And we're going to polish the pivot. And the trunnion. Alright, let's see here. And now we're going to take it out and see what we have. So we have the lanyard pinions and the pinion here. This part here is rough, so we're going to have to polish it down a little bit, and this is its part. Okay, so now we've got it inside of our jaw here. We're going to go ahead and polish the pivot and the main arbor. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. And let's see here. Gotta get it opened up enough. There we go. All right. So that is our new arbor with the lanyard pinions and polished pivots. Now we're going to install a governor. Okay, so now we're going to take our governor and we're going to install it to be sure that we can test fit it and it works. All right. And that is a perfect fit. So now what we're going to do is bring in our clock movement. We're going to turn it around to where we need to be and test fit our new governor. Okay. Alright, so everything seems to be good. The end shake is good. The clearance is good. It's not going to touch anything or hit anything, so that's good. And that is a completed job of our governor. If you need any clock repairs, come see me here at Campbell's Antique Clock and Watch Repair of Anderson, South Carolina. We do antique clocks, watches, pocket watches, and all makes and models. Our number is 864-608-5095. Have a wonderful evening.